Welcome, beautiful soul. This meditation is an invitation to manifest your deepest wish, as this full moon is not just a portal of manifestation, but a portal of divine blessings, as it is Hanuman Jayanti today, the celebration of the birth of Lord Hanuman. He is the divine protector and the embodiment of strength and devotion. As we begin, know that you are divinely supported and guided. Now, close your eyes and allow yourself to relax completely. Now, take a deep breath in and set the intention of manifesting your deepest wish and releasing anything that no longer aligns with your highest good. With each breath, allow yourself to be present in this very moment without any stress or worries. Let go of the need to control. And today, just surrender to the divine power of Lord Hanuman to bring your desires to life. Now, as you relax and surrender completely, imagine a soft, glowing full moon rising just above you, glowing in the shades of soft pink and white. This feels so light, so peaceful, so calm, and so gentle. This light is the light of the pink full moon, cleansing and releasing all the heavy emotions, doubts, insecurities, fears, and stress that you are feeling right now about your manifestation. Let this light enter your body through your crown chakra, and from there it moves towards your third eye chakra, cleansing it and moving further down towards your throat chakra, cleansing and releasing your body as it moves further down towards your heart chakra. Feel the cleansing happening. Slowly, it moves further down, cleansing your solar plexus chakra. Now, releasing any stuck emotions from your sacral chakra. And finally cleansing your root chakra. You feel so light, so peaceful, so relaxed, and so happy. You feel as if a certain heaviness has left your body. And as you sit under this pink moon, you are now ready to invite a very special divine energy, the energy of Lord Hanuman. He appears to you in a form of him that connects to you, the divine protector, the compassionate guide, the one who is always present and guiding you in your journey always. Feel his energy cocoon you completely, like an unshakable shield of his strength, support for you. He is standing behind you, like a guide watching over you and protecting you. He is here today to help you with your manifestation, to grant you your deepest wish. He is here to help you release all that is blocking your manifestation and empower you to become the most powerful and successful version of you who already has everything and every wish you have ever asked him for. Feel his energy totally and completely. Take a slow, deep breath in and allow his energies to heal you completely as I chant the following mantra. Om Hanumate Namaha. 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 Repeat with me in your mind. I call upon your strength. I surrender my fears. I welcome your blessings and guidance. And now, allow yourself to surrender to Lord Hanuman today completely. As he touches you gently on your forehead, feel his presence, his energy, cleansing and releasing all that is no longer needed. The fears, the insecurities, the doubts, the feeling of being unworthy, or anything else that is no longer needed. Today, just be a witness of this divine healing and allow all the limiting beliefs and karmic patterns to just release. Just notice it happening without any judgment. His presence is enough to heal you today. Take a few moments to let this release happen completely. Now, with the release already happened, it is now time to manifest. Ask Lord Hanuman, what is the one manifestation you want so deeply? What is that one thing you want in your life? And as you say it, Lord Hanuman just smiles and gives it to you. And it's already yours. Feel the joy, feel the happiness of being blessed with your deepest wish, your manifestation right now. Notice how you feel. And now, allow these positive emotions to integrate into your physical body because your manifestation is already yours in the 5D. And now express your gratitude to Lord Hanuman for this manifestation. And now, with this feeling of gratitude, repeat with me in your mind, I am ready to receive. I am a magnet of everything that is good for me. I am open to receive miracles and divine blessings. I already have what I desire. I am blessed with all the prosperity and abundance that life has to offer. This pink full moon, I am blessed. I am protected. I am guided. I am aligned with my highest self. With the blessings of Lord Hanuman, I receive all that I am deserving of. And so it is. For the next few moments, feel the changes in your body as you integrate all the blessings of this full moon manifestation into your physical body. And now it has come time to come back to your conscious awareness. So gently stretch your fingers, roll your shoulders, and whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this meditation journey with me. If this meditation helped you in any way, do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share your experience in the comment section below. May the divine blessings protect you always and lead you to everything that you deserve. Thank you.